Alright, so it's just your average Tuesday here at the Monday Crew House, and it is raining outside pretty good. Come in, Edward. You want to come inside? And Danielle and Tyler went to go get a mouse for the snake, and they decided to take the slingshot, which was not a very good idea. So I'm waiting for them to pull back up, because I guarantee you they are going to be soaked and majorly mad.
What about the slingshot?
The slingshot is going to be soaked.
Make Edward get Can I go get them? Oh.
It's not them. They wouldn't be going that fast. Because they might slide. But man, they're going to be soaked. They're going to be so wet.
Do you know if you run in water, you get more water on you?
Yeah, because you're running faster through the water? Yes. But at some point, when it's raining so hard, like, it's raining okay right now, but if it's raining real hard, it doesn't matter. Like, you might as well run because you're going to get soaked no matter what.
Oh, that's him.
Get up, get back, get back. Get back.
That's definitely him.
Get back, guys. Let her pull in. Oh my gosh, look at that. How'd you like that ride?
It was actually really fun.
It was pouring.
Oh my god. Oh, well, actually,
The car made it worse.
you know, we made it all the way to Morgantown and Fairview, and it started pouring.
Oh, I know. And thanks for wearing my hat and getting it soaked. Now you gotta dry it.
You're welcome. I couldn't see. How else did you want me to drive home?
I was on my, oh no, that's fine. I was on my way back from the hardware store and it started pouring and I was like, oh man, I hope they're not out in this.
Well, it wasn't, and then you texted me that, and then it started raining. I was like,
Well, because it was
"Thanks."
sprinkling at that
You
time.
jinxed me.
Don't let
Man.
And then what made it worse is the water flies off your tire, and then if you hit puddles, it gets in your face.
Oh my gosh, you are so wet. Well,
Go grab my... Last one. No, I didn't. Never mind. Right.
man. So how was that trip? Did your mouse did your mouse survive?
Yes, I survived. Why do you jinx us?
I didn't jinx you. It was raining,
Yes,
so I
you
texted
did.
you. I was like, hey, it's sprinkling out. Good luck on the
luck.
way home.
Good luck. You said good luck. That is a
I did say
jinx.
good luck because I knew it was coming. That's why I didn't drive the slingshot. That was actually worth watching.
Wait,
I like to
wait.
see that.
Gee, actually, I could go out in the rain because I have to take a shower anyways.
Well, there's a short afternoon vlog for you. I just wanted to kind of show you what's going on over here and just how funny that was. So that's it. Hopefully we'll have a better vlog this weekend. And from the Monday Crew, we out. Make sure you dry that half for me.
I'm not driving.